Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to design this banner, or we can say a post for our social media platforms. And if you are a beginner, you can also watch this video because I will tell you everything step by step. You can download my all the images link in the description below. So let's start. So here is our banner. So let's create it. Go to file and click on new. Now here give any name, select pixels, size 1080 by 1080, resolution 300 and color mode RGB color. Now let's create it. So here we have a nice size. Now drag here our image. Now select any selection tool and click on this select subject. So you will get a selection like this. Now select lasso tool and now press shift and make a selection like this. Now press Ctrl J and delete this layer. Now right click on your image thumbnail and click on select pixels. Click on any selection tool and click on this select and mask option. Now here press Alt and click and drag. Now increase transparency and click like this. Press Ctrl Z. Now click, yeah, this is fine. Now increase radius. Yes, fine, I think it's fine. Now let's click on OK and press Ctrl J. Delete this layer. So we have removed background. Now select your own brush and brush here for a fake hair. Yeah, it's looking fine. Now merge those layers. Yeah, perfect. Now convert this image into smart object and press Ctrl T and resize it. Perfect. Now put here another image. Now go to edit and click on free transform and right click flip horizontal. Perfect. Now select any selection tool and make a selection for this LED or TV. Now right click on your image and click on rasterize layer. Right click and fill and choose your content aware. Now press OK. Now go to select and click on deselect. And now we have to remove this also. So select healing brush tool and brush here. Now select pen tool and make a shape like this. And click on shape. So you will get a shape like this. Now select this direct selection tool and change your anchor point like this. Now duplicate your image layer. Press Ctrl T and right click and click on flip vertical. Now put it here. Now press Alt between both layers and click. Now decrease the opacity of this image. Take a mask on this layer and select brush tool and hardness should be 0 and brush here. So this is a kind of reflection. Now add another image. Click on select subject. So we have a selection. Now press Ctrl J and delete this layer. Now first of all convert it to smart object and then press Ctrl T and resize it. Now take a new layer, select brush tool and select black color. Right click and hardness should be 0 and now one click. Now press Ctrl T and resize it. This is for shadow. Now add another image here. Right click on it and click on flip horizontal. Now we have to remove this shadow. So select pen tool and make a selection like this. Click on selection and click on OK. Now click on resize layer and press delete button. Press Ctrl T and resize it. Now duplicate your shadow layer and use this for this plate. Decrease some opacity. Now change this shadow a little bit. Now it's time to create a fake reflection, and then press Ctrl T, right click on it and click on flip vertical. Now put it here, hit OK. Now decrease opacity and put this layer all below the image layer. Now take a mask on your image layer and select brush tool. Make sure you have selected black and white color. Now brush here. So it's fine. Now do it again on this layer. Now lock all these layers, which is our background. Lock all, and now this one also lock it, and then select these images and put it here. Now I'm gonna take these layers and put it here as same. Now delete this reflection of this girl, delete this reflection. Then first of all resize it. Now press Ctrl J, press Ctrl T, right click, click on flip vertical and put this image only above the shape layer, which is this one. Now right click on this layer and click on create clipping mask. Now decrease this opacity. Then take a mask on this image and brush here. Now unlock this background and take a brightness and change some brightness and contrast. Select background layer, press Ctrl T, right click and click on flip horizontal. Now again change some brightness and contrast. Yeah, now it's looking fine. So I will show you my font. So this is my font and this is my size. All of these you can see. So we have created this banner or post we can say. Now it's time to save it. Let's save. So let's open it. So here you can see how we created this banner or post. So I will meet you in the next video, and if you learn anything from this video, so please like this video, also subscribe this channel for more videos like this. And also I want to tell you something, that I have uploaded many videos like this, so you can also watch them. So I will meet you in the next video. Until take care.